Back with another video, guys, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. So this one's going to be a little bit different because I didn't pick it up anywhere, didn't purchase this on Amazon or eBay. This one I actually got from a friend. So yeah, so I got this from a friend I've been friends with a long, long time. So I'm going to show you what I got. Now I've seen this on the internet many times, and I've seen this in person at other shows a few times. And I'm proud and honored to say that this is what my friend gave to me. So yeah, I'm gonna run this on the layout, take it a few laps around, see how it is. And before I do that, guys, I just want to say that the last couple days down here have been kind of interesting because I've been trying to figure out if my layout's been haunted, and it's the same with my house. And pretty much I came down here today and everything looked normal and all that. Oh, and as you see, since the water tower is right there, I moved that, by the way, and I switched up this part of the layout right here, as you see, that I like that, as you can see, looks different and everything. And then I added a side track right there to park some those Amtrak passenger cars that I got. And then that I originally had right over here, right there. It was right there. So then I decided to move it right to there. So yeah, and I switched. Yeah, and Cranky I moved there too. Yeah, Bowser's Castle I moved right there. And Santa Claus and the Baloo and Harold I moved right there. Yeah, and I switched up. Yeah, and I switched up some trains a little bit too. If you could kind of tell the difference from yesterday's video to today. So, anyways, guys, yeah, I'm gonna start this video back up again once I got it on the track and everything. We'll give it the first test run on camera. Alrighty, guys, the train is on the track right now. Everything's ready to go. Now, before I run it, I'm not even kidding you guys when I say now that I have have this from my friend, I'm not even kidding you when I say it that I now officially have the longest passenger cars in my HO scale train collection, and basically the history of my collection, like literally literally no joke, while I was getting the set on here and everything, I actually noticed something, or I actually wanted to compare them to one of my Amtrak coaches. So I did that, and I noticed that they were a smidge longer on both sides, and yeah, I was just shocked on 'em, holy cow, these are so long, and I even thought of is it even gonna make it across that bridge? Because when you have longer cars going around that bend, that's why I put that smaller white piece of track right there, so that way it has room to it won't bump right into it or derail the train or anything. My concern is that I wonder if it's gonna do that. Well, we will find out some other time. So yeah. So anyways, guys, enough of the talking. Let's get to it. Let's run this and see what it's like. Here we go. think we might have dirty wheels at the bottom. Do we? Yeah, they're a bit dirty. Yeah, they're a little bit dirty. I don't know if you guys can tell through the camera that's like a little bit of dust in between like the wheels and everything. Yeah, it's hard to tell. All right. Yeah, wheels are a little dirty. They don't look too bad, but because I don't know how old this engine is or how long they've had this set for. Because maybe it's something to do with the motor. Because that's what I'm more thinking. I don't know. But let me take another listen. Oh no, it's kicking up. So maybe it's not the motor at all. Maybe you just need a little bit of time to start. Because I do have my Santa Fe engine that I've owned for about 8 years, I'd say. That like kind of like does that though, but like a lot worse. So at like one point it took it time to like start up and everything, and then it just came to a point where it just got like it just became like worse and worse. But now this is like nothing right here. So it just needed some time to start back up. So let's see how it runs throughout the rest of the layout. Put up a full throttle. Let's just oh, little derailment there. I don't even know how that happened. Like, maybe the coupler's a little bit too high up. You know what? I better put this at the back of the tray just in case, because when I run stuff on here, like right there and over there, right over there where that bridge is, and over there, that like I like to take things like be like smart about things when I'm running it though, because I don't need anything like falling off or anything like I don't need anything falling off the bridge or anything, because if like something breaks though, then I'm basically I don't know what to say. Because one time I was putting my SD70 Susquehanna number 3018 like back in the box or something, and that was about 5-6 years ago, I would say. Now that's when I was still learning how to handle exponents of model trains, and that was an HO scale layout. Because I was like putting it, I didn't put it back in the box correctly, and it literally slipped right out of the box, and it literally like fell on the ground like just like into like pieces. Like the parts to it didn't break though, but like it's just the pieces that came right out though. It was almost like every single piece. And then my other friend was like freaking out that I could have thought that he thought that I like fell or something, which I didn't, because it kind of sounded like it, but no, I like that was a sound that I dropped my locomotive. Yeah, then and then after that, yeah, I ended up getting it fixed and everything, and it runs perfectly fine though. So yeah. So anyways, let's get back to this. All right. Yeah, it's just I just got just a little bad coupler on the coaches, but we'll easily replace it with a new one. All right, made it across the bridge safe. Thank God. All right, let's slow this baby down. Alrighty, well. I hate when some of my locomotives do that, though. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Yep. Yeah, that coupler's low. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Nope, that coupler's pretty low. Perfect. All right. Oh, then you know what? Like, it's probably, if that coupler's low, it's gonna do the same thing like over there. Because I do have another locomotive that is like that too. My New York Central one. That's exactly like that, but it's more like, but it's kind of like more. It's not like the coupler though. It's kind of like more like the front of it where you see like right there, like that yellow, bluish, darkish line. It's more like that right there with but with my New York Central one, not like this one's like just like the coupler. So this is what we're gonna do. So we're gonna switch these points, and we're just gonna have a go around the layout, go around this section right here. Ready? Here we go. Oh wait. Oh no, that was just a derailment. All right. I thought it was something else, but nope, just a derailment. All right, we are all good. It's gonna take this at a slow speed. Oh shit! Wait a minute. Oh, phew! I got nervous there for a second. Oh yeah, that coupler just hit that black spot there. That's gonna make it leak. Oh shit! Man, that just took out the bridge. All right, well, guess I gotta remove the bridge too. Set that to the side. Yeah. All it is, guys, I just gotta switch the coupler. That's all it is. Like, engine and everything is perfectly fine. I just gotta switch up the coupler though. And at first when I ran it, I thought it might have been like the wheels needed to be clean or something, or maybe the motor or something inside the locomotive, but it took the engine some time to start up though, so it's not any of that. It's so yeah, so what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna set this engine aside until I replace it with a new coupler, and then I'm gonna get my other Conrail engine out with the other freight cars that I had on earlier. I'm gonna do that, and then also I'm gonna put these cars onto my Amtrak train and run it around with it. So yeah, I will get back to you when that's all set up. Alrighty, here we go. It is all set up, and as a matter of fact, I'm gonna get my Thomas trains going. So there goes Percy, and there goes Gordon. Alright. Yep. As a matter of fact, I am actually gonna take this over here before I run my Amtrak through here and through there and also on that bridge. So I'm gonna take it over there to make sure it's gonna be able to like fit through and get over it. Okay, so here we go. The first test. Oh, I just missed it. Oh, look at that. Just missing it. All right, that's good. Perfect. Oh wait, now I gotta make sure not gonna bump into any of those cars. Alright, that's good. Perfect. Alright, let's take it over here now. Just perfect. All right, it's good to go through. All right, I can take it through. All right, here we go. I thought the wheels were off the track for a second, but no, we're all good. Holy cow. Thank God I noticed that. The cars came on coupled. Alrighty, after that I just got it back on the track. Within 3 seconds, it's just uncoupled again. Yeah, I gotta switch the couplers on these. Yeah. Yeah, I'm just gonna set these up to the side for later. Actually, hold on. I ended up putting them away for now. So yeah, I just gotta like I said earlier, I just gotta switch the couplers on it and everything. Not a big deal or anything, it's easy to do. Gotta remove those couplers and replace it with new ones. And once I got brand new ones on there, it'll be much better. But until then, I'm just gonna run what I got for now. Another issue we're having today too is these cars spin. Guys need some new couplers too. Shit, Amtrak better hurry up before the Conrail freight train glides right into it. Look at that. I think it's gonna make it in time. It's gonna make it. It's gonna make it. Holy cow, that was close. Just made it over there too. Alright guys, well that's gonna be it for today. Leave a like, subscribe. Peace out.